Italian recipe.
Italian recipe. It's not Mauritian. No, it's welcome back to my channel. I'm Mia.
I'm Kay.
I'm Christian.
Hi Christian.
Hi, Christian.
Stop.
Okay, nice.
Okay. So as I promised you for me, the title of this video today, they're gonna be try some Mauritian snack. Snack.
Yeah.
Okay, so if it's not good, they're gonna rate it like 0.
Yeah.
If it's good, like 5, and if it's like
It depends.
3 or 4 or like 1 or 2. It depends on that.
Okay.
That's it. So let's start with the first one.
Okay.
Yeah. On this snack, there is my favorite one. So you guys need to.
This one is your favorite. I know.
No, it's not.
Oh shit.
You already know one. But anyway, yeah.
Okay.
You need to like pick my favorite one. Like, see which one is my favorite.
This one.
Try them and let's see. So with the first one, you wanna try this one first.
Yay!
Okay, we're gonna try sando. I think is vanilla.
So what?
Vanilla wafer. It's kind of normal wafer. So
Waffle.
should be good.
Waffle.
I like that. I like that.
I like it like that.
But yeah, let's try. It's quite normal. Like you guys gonna probably like it because it's
Congratulations.
normal waffle.
That's a lot.
Ah, what?
He said it's good in Tagalog.
Oh, he said that it's good in Tagalog. Just It's good.
5.
5. What about you, Christian?
5.
5. 5. Which one you wanna try?
Good job. What?
Okay, that one here. So, bis crème. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I already tried all of this stuff, obviously. And yes, they're normal biscuits with the chocolate inside.
Wow.
Oh.
You guys probably gonna like this as well. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Dai, Cristiano.
Like,
It's 5 for me.
5? Is everything 5? 5. Let's try this because I probably know that is not a 5 for you guys. I'm gonna open it. Like most of the people in Mauritius like open the packaging with the tea.
Also Filipino people.
Okay, but I don't know how to open it. Like epic fail. Ah, I'm so bad. Okay, got it.
It's good.
Like take some and put it like straight away on your mouth. Tu vuoi provare uno o vuoi più?
Ma tutti.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Take all the packet. Is it good? Is it not?
It's good, but it's not 5 for me.
But
It's the pie. Woo!
what is that?
4.
4. Wow! Wow, let's try like potato snack, the cheese tasty. And normal chips with the cheese. I didn't say that. Speaking how, but it's alright. Are you?
Can I help you?
Yeah, please. Straight.
Sembra piccante.
It's not.
No. Mamma mia.
Flowers.
Cheese. Ah, cos'è?
also in
Philippines. Oh, they got like a kind of similar chips in Philippines.
No, it's the same taste, the same shape.
Mommy.
I think it's good for her. Like she already ate like 5 of them.
Yes, fine.
So should be like a 5.
Banana.
This is for you.
Let's go, Christian.
Blah blah blah. Mordi, Cri. Dai! Mordilo!
Ananas. No!
Blah! Mordilo! Blah! Mordilo!
Oh my god!
Rate them. 5.
5. You just give 5 for everything.
Because everything is good.
So let's try this. I don't know, but I got like a perception that you guys will not gonna like this one here.
There's something like
In the Philippines. Oh my god!
the packaging is different, like the quello che dicevi. No, basta!
Okay.
I'm on diet, you know. Luckily no.
Non voglio, basta. Basta, la gelatina basta, va?
No.
Ognuno ha delle vecchie abitudini. Buonissimo.
We have the
però-
same,
But
it's not one of my favorite taste.
so
3.
that's fine.
I like that, but
The same is not one of my favorites, so that's fine.
Good.
So the last one is Pop Pop sweet corn flavors.
Ma devi che sta fuocando
let's try.
tutto.
try.
Per favore, chiamate un medico, chiamate una polizia, chiamate la polizia.
Dai, baby.
Cos'è, what? Ah, un what? Banana.
Ma che banana.
E cos'è?
Wait.
Ok. Sembra vecchio.
Spero un sigaro.
Non voglio. Beh, ho mangiato almeno 5 cose
Scusa.
che va bene.
It's good. Which one? Like,
Schede,
5.
schede,
She said five.
lol, va,
No, guess
lol.
Guess which one is my favorite?
This one.
No.
Ah, aspetta. I'm just kidding. This one.
No.
Io non mangio questo.
This.
No.
This.
No. Oh, come on.
This.
You got it on your hand.
Ah, this.
It's the end of this video, guys. As you can see, she just rate all the snacks like more than 3, all of them, right? So they're good. Well done, Mauritian. And that's it. Subscribe to my channel if you guys want more of this video. I'm gonna leave in the description down below all the link for her social media and my social media.
This is my favorite.
Yeah, her favorite.
Look what
This
it's on
one,
me.
so good.
But also this one.
Best friend. Yeah, remember to subscribe to my channel, leave us a comment, anything that you guys want to share with me, or if you guys have any idea for a future video. And okay. Leave a thumbs up and see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye. Finish.
Dub.
That big.
Oh,